Hello, and welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Let me ask you something. What if just 5 minutes a day could completely change your English? Sounds too simple, right? But stay with me, because today you're going to feel the difference. In this episode, you will practice English with me for 5 minutes. It's short, it's simple, and it's perfect for busy people. You don't need hours. You don't need stress. You just need consistency. This is snack learning. Small, powerful bites of practice you can do anytime. Do it in the morning. Do it while you walk. Do it before you sleep. Your job is simple. Listen to me, repeat after me, and speak with me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just listen, speak, and flow with me. And if you enjoy this series, tell me in the comments. If you like it, I'll create more for you. Today's topic is one of the most powerful ideas for success. The power of small habits. Many people think success comes from big actions. They believe they must study for hours. They think they must read many books. They think they must change everything at once. But that's not true. Real change doesn't happen in one big moment. It happens in many small moments. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 2 hours once a month, right? You brush for 2 minutes every day. That's why your teeth stay healthy. Learning English is the same. It's not about one big study session. It's about small moments every day. 5 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of speaking. 5 minutes of shadowing. Right now, it may feel small, but over time, it creates big results. And yes, there is science behind this. When you repeat a small action, your brain changes. It builds a new path, a new connection. Every time you practice, that path becomes stronger. At the beginning, speaking feels slow. You stop. You think. You search for words. It's not easy. But with daily practice, something amazing happens. Your words come faster. Your tongue moves more naturally. Speaking becomes automatic. Small habits are powerful because they are easy. You don't need strong motivation. You just do them. And that's when real learning begins. Not in big events, but in small daily actions. Here's a secret. If you want to build a habit, start very small. If you plan 1 hour every day, you might quit. But if you plan 5 minutes, you will do it. It's too easy to fail, right? You can practice while making coffee. You can speak while getting ready. You can whisper sentences while walking. Small moments are easy to repeat. And repeatable actions create real growth. 5 minutes becomes 10. 10 becomes 20. And one day, English becomes part of your life. Let me tell you a quick story. I had a student who was very shy. He was afraid to speak English. So he started with one small habit. Just 2 minutes every morning. He spoke to himself. I'm getting ready. I'm making tea. I'm going to work. Simple sentences. After a few weeks, he improved. After 2 months, he could tell short stories. After 6 months, he joined a speaking club. Just 2 minutes a day changed his life. So, here's my message for you. Don't chase big goals. Build small habits. Small habits will improve your English. They will build your confidence. They will change your life. And this 5-minute practice, this video can be your habit. Do it every day. Repeat it often, and you will be surprised by your progress. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, keep shadowing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Before you go, I have a small challenge for you. Today, don't skip. Take just 5 minutes and practice this again. Not tomorrow. Not later. Today, because your future English depends on what you do right now. If you're serious about improving, comment below. I will practice daily. I'll be reading your comments, and I'm with you on this journey. And if this video helped you even a little, hit the like button and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. Don't forget to subscribe to Learn and Success. And turn on the bell icon so you never miss your daily practice. I'm Jahid, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep going. You're closer than you think.